Hey everyone, welcome back to MSI Analytics. Today, I'm going to show you a dashboard that can help you manage your medical billing processes. So just imagine you are running a medical practice or managing billing for multiple healthcare providers. How do you stay on top of scheduled sessions, track payments, and ensure your insurance coverage is seamless? That's exactly where this medical billing dashboard comes in. So this dashboard is designed to solve three core problems for healthcare business owners, which are tracking performances, improving revenue management, and simplifying insights. It's your all-in-one solution for managing medical billing efficiently and staying focused on what matters the most, which are your patients. So now, let's dive into the dashboard. First of all, we have all of our key performance indicators. So our very first indicator is scheduled sessions. You can see the total number of sessions and you can also compare it with the number of previous month and track growth percentages. For example, this dashboard shows a 14.1% increase, which is a great sign for growing business. After that, we have our completed sessions for the month, which are 129. You can also see the comparison with previous month. Moving forward, we have our pending sessions for the month, which are 57. After that, we have our total billed, paid amount, and insurance coverage. These three metrics give you a clear idea of your revenue health. Are your bills being paid on time? Is insurance covering enough? It's all right there. Now let's move forward to our another visual, which is monthly billed versus claimed amount. This is a bar chart visual. This visual compares billed accounts with actual claimed payments over time. This visual helps you identify gaps in your cash flow. For instance, in May, the dashboard shows a spike in billed amount, which is 58,000. But you will want to dig deeper into why payments don't match. Spotting trends like this can help you fix inefficiencies in your billing process. Moving forward to our another visual, which is a line chart for sessions trend over time. You can identify seasonal peaks and plan resources accordingly. For example, the spike around mid-December indicates a surge in sessions, perhaps due to year-end checkups or insurance deadlines. With this insight, you can schedule staff better or prepare for a busy period. Moving forward to our another visual, which is session breakdown by status. This is also a bar chart. This section highlights completed, pending, and missed sessions. Completed sessions reflect your success rate. Pending sessions show areas where reminders or follow-ups are needed, and missed sessions indicate lost revenue. This dashboard highlights a 13.8% decrease, which is great process. Every business owner wants to minimize this number. Moving forward to our another visual, which is billed amount by consultation category. Here, we see a breakdown of billed amounts by different consultation categories, which are therapists, psychologists, counselors, and psychiatrists. It helps you understand which services bring in the most revenue. For instance, therapists are leading here with $2,600. This data can guide decisions on resource allocation or marketing efforts for underperforming services. Moving forward to our very last visual of the dashboard, which is top 5 countries by scheduled sessions. This radar chart shows where your sessions are being booked the most. India, Pakistan, China, Malaysia, or Bangladesh. If a certain region shows consistent growth, You might consider expanding your services, marketing, or partnerships in that area. This dashboard can help you save your time, make data-driven decisions, improve cash flow, and enhance patient care. So that's the medical billing dashboard, a tool that not only simplifies your operations but helps you grow your business. So this was it for today's video. Give us your feedback below in the comments, and you can also check out our previous videos on our channel.